watching me.
We're gonna do a scan of the vehicle, so if you don't mind, step out of the vehicle.
What for? What? Have I been suspected of committing a crime?
We can scan any vehicle we want as long as.
But have I suspected of committing a crime?
For a legal reason. So
that's a traffic stop. That's a traffic issue.
So do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
Write me a ticket so I can go by my way. I'm not stepping out the vehicle, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do absolutely nothing. If you pull me out this vehicle, I'm gonna file a lawsuit, bro. You violate my rights.
If you don't step out, I will
I'm telling you. Well, you're
gonna
have to take me out. I'm not legally getting out my vehicle when I haven't done anything wrong. Absolutely nothing. I was pulled over the other morning going to work for my headlight, right? I fixed it. You want to check it? I fixed it. If you can pull that up, I fixed the headlight. I just came from my house, get gas, got me a soda, got my oil change. I seen you pulling to the fucking sheets, eyeballing the car the whole time. I don't know why y'all keep pulling me over. I'm out here working because I'm in a fucking union. That's why I got Mississippi tags. That's the whole reason you pulling me over. I drive the other car, you pull me over in it. You pull my old lady over in it.
All right, well, if you
it's just ridiculous.
If you step out, we're going to scan the car.
What you going to scan the car for? You can look and see there ain't nothing in the car.
Okay. Are you giving me consent to search the vehicle?
No, I'm not giving you nothing.
Okay, then step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not. Call your supervisor, man. Call your supervisor.
Step out of the vehicle.
I want to speak to your supervisor, please. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. I'm telling you, pull me out the car, you fucking up. That's all I'm telling you. My people's work in McLean, Virginia. I'm telling you, you pull me out the car, you fucking up. You're making a big mistake.
Well, the issue is
you're making a big mistake.
For a legal reason.
You stopped me because you said I pulled up. No, you didn't come to the car. You didn't come to the car and said, sir, you smell like alcohol, you smell like marijuana. None of that. None of that. You just go to your car telling me you pulling me over for a traffic stop. Go to your car and then 10 police fucking pull up like I'm supposed to be fucking scared or something. I done been through this plenty in my life. I'm not stepping out of shit. I'm not stepping out of shit. That's my right, dude. You don't know your fucking, I'm done talking. I'm done talking.
You gonna step out of the car now?
I'm not stepping out of shit.
No?
No.
Okay.
Give me your supervisor. Let me and him talk. All right, cool. Your sergeant, whoever's in charge.
Okay.
It's bullshit. I'm not stepping out of shit. Once I step out of the vehicle, I lose my rights. I'm not fucking stupid.
What rights would you
Whatever,
lose?
dude. You're being recorded. We're being recorded, so.
You're more than welcome to record me.
I know I am. That's my right too.
Okay.
So let me roll down the window for him, so he can see, he can smell. Everything's fucking clean. This is my work vehicle. You see my fishing poles? I like to fish.
We've been fishing.
I'm about to go buy me a fucking boat soon.
We're hitting the wrong button there, buddy.
Yeah, look in there. Ain't nothing in here but work shit, tools, fishing poles, a battery from my truck that I just sold, charge it up for this guy. That's it. I don't do nothing. Whatever y'all perception is, why y'all keep pulling me over, it's gonna fucking stop. After today, it's gonna stop.
Following traffic rules.
I follow traffic rules. Well, if I haven't followed traffic rules, check my driving record. Check my driving record. That tells you a lot. If I haven't, yes it does. Yes it does. Y'all on 68 all day. So I follow my traffic rules, dude. So I have way more tickets. Y'all just fucking with me for no reason. Which I'm with it because I need some money, free money. Okay. You want to give it to me? I'm going to get it. So I don't need the money. I work for a living.
Listen, you have the right to order out of the car, which we're doing.
No, you don't.
You do.
No, you don't. I haven't did anything wrong, sir. I haven't did anything wrong. I let y'all slide on 68 when y'all pulled me and my little girl out of the car one night. I let y'all have that. That officer, he's no longer working with you guys. I let y'all have that. I didn't fight, and I really had y'all to the left then. Dead to the left. I didn't, my auntie told me, you say, but I'm not getting out the car, man. I ain't did nothing. What you want me to, do I have a warrant? All right then.
The reason we want you
I ain't did nothing.
Listen to me.
But I haven't did nothing.
Listen to me, and I'll explain this.
I'm listening.
The reason we want you out of the vehicle is because it is their policy that the occupants of the vehicle have to be out of the vehicle while they do the canine scan.
What they doing the canine scan for?
We can scan any vehicle we want.
For what? So why didn't the lady that pulled me over the other morning, why didn't she do the same process?
I have no idea. I wasn't there.
And my headlight was out, and I haven't done anything wrong. Anything.
Different officers.
How you wouldn't back there eyeballing me and go around the corner? You would have seen me.
MSP.
The dog ain't alert nothing. He came to the. They pulled me over for, it's just an illegal stop, sir. If you're the sergeant or lieutenant.
What did they pull you over for?
He said he pulled me over because I didn't stop coming out of Sheets, which is stupid. There's traffic coming. Why wouldn't I stop, sir?
I can't answer that. If that's
Why wouldn't I stop?
Do me a favor. Take the keys out of your
First of all, he pulled in looking at my vehicle while I'm pumping gas.
We're not going to argue with the debate here.
Are you the sergeant?
I am. If he stopped you for not stopping, then that's the probable cause for what we're doing.
This is a traffic stop. Why can't he just write me a ticket and I go by my way?
Because he has indicators that he wants to run a dog around here.
For what though? For what is the reason?
What do we typically run a dog around a car for?
Drugs? Okay, but he haven't said anything about drugs when he come to the car. He never said once he suspected me doing anything, sir.
Why is it necessary
Nothing.
for us to argue about this?
It's not
If you have nothing in
because if I'm telling you I haven't done anything wrong and he's saying that I have,
Okay.
it's his word against mine.
Okay.
I haven't done
So
anything.
then if you have nothing
Absolutely
behind,
nothing.
to worry about, you can let them do their job here and you can go about your business.
They can scan the car around. I'm not getting out though.
Once the dog alerts,
They
if it
get
alerts, you
it ain't
have
gonna
to go.
alert. Well, that you just automatically saying the dog's
No,
gonna
I did
alert.
not, you're
That's
putting-
what
now-
you're saying.
Now
You
you're
on
putting words.
camera.
I said if.
No, you're pretty much telling me that. That's
I said if the dog alerts,
that's
you
that's
get out.
like you're pretty much saying
Are we gonna
What
stand
up?
here?
you just telling me what you gonna do. Whether or wait, it don't matter what y'all do, man. There's nothing in the vehicle.
Can you at least turn your ignition off for me?
There's nothing in the vehicle, so you
Okay,
just gonna want
so
to
you have
violate my
nothing-
rights.
You have nothing to worry
Go
about.
ahead and
There's a
violate them.
violation of rights.
Yes, it is. You just gonna violate the right. You can open the back door and let them in if you want.
Keep your hands in the car. Hold the dog.
You can open the door and let them in. They searching to put the K9 around the car, y'all. For what reason? I don't know. Didn't say anything about nothing when he pulled me over, but all of a sudden he want me out of my vehicle to search my car when I have done anything wrong. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is my work vehicle. I fish in it. I work on people's shit. I just got an oil change. Look,
I'll be right back with you.
just got an oil change recent, just 10 minutes ago. And he gonna tell me I pull out of the sheets without stopping when there's fucking oncoming traffic. What sense does that make? You tell me. This is America we living in, right?
Where you been fishing at? Anywhere good?
This is America. This is bullshit. Bullshit. They gonna violate me like this. Bullshit. I'm a tax-paying fucking citizen. This is what we gotta deal with in America. It's bullshit. I shouldn't have to go through this. Shouldn't have to fucking go through it. I didn't go to work because I was fucking sick today. Went and got blood work and shit done. Got my oil changed. And now I have to deal with some stupid shit like this. Cumberland PD. No wonder they got the petition out on that bitch ass officer, whoever the fuck he is. It's gonna be some more. So lawsuit coming. Free fucking money. By the way, sir, I've been fishing at Jennings, Randolph Lake.
Okay, how's it been
I
biting?
catching some big ass bass. I'm about to go buy me a boat here shortly, soon as y'all let me go. And that's how we doing. Yes, sir.
I'm the K9 guy.
Yep.
I just scanned the vehicle.
He alerted, didn't
No.
he? Yeah, because obviously now, because I mentioned he didn't. It's bullshit, man. Nothing against you personally. Nothing at all. It's just the way y'all treat people out here for absolutely nothing is fucking ridiculous. And it has nothing to do
got a
with you
bus coming
personally.
through, be careful. You got a bus coming through.
What's your name, sir?
Baluch, Baluch.
He's been cool. You can finish what you was telling me.
So
Sorry,
All good,
cut
brother.
you off, bro.
like I said, dog didn't alert to the vehicle, but I always interview anybody after I scan, whether the dog alerts or not.
Yeah.
Just because I want to make sure the dog's doing what he's supposed to. So there's never been any drugs in the car, nothing like that.
No,
All right. Works for me.
no drugs in the car, sir. This is my work car.
Where you work at?
I work for Triton Construction. You see that one way they putting in downtown?
Down in Baltimore.
We putting in a one-way street. I work for that company.
Okay.
But I'm on the Hagerstown side. We building a bridge out on 70.
No shit.
Is
Yes.
this a fleet vehicle then?
What do you mean by that?
Like, I just seen the Missouri plates. Are you from Missouri?
No, it's Mississippi tags. I'm with the
Oh.
union, so I travel for work.
Okay. All right, man. appreciate
I'm
it.
free to go?
No,
The-
well,
the
they have to
officer will be
finish
with
the
you here in a
traffic
sec.
stuff.
Okay.
But as far as the dog stuff, you're done. They just have to finish your warning or whatever they're doing, and then you're
Thank you, sir. Nah, they don't need to give me no warning. He need to write me a fucking ticket. Because they keep giving me warnings, but he keeps saying I keep violating the law. So,
So I wrote you a warning here.
that's another warning.
Because I don't write
I've
tickets.
done nothing.
I don't feel like police
Another
is
warning.
writing
He
tickets, but here's your warning.
Yep,
Here's your information
Cool.
bag.
yep,
Have a good day.
yep. I'm on my way to the precinct now. God damn it. File me a lawsuit. Checking out, guys. Thank you.
Let's slow this down and walk through what actually happens, and what courts generally say about situations like this. Right away, you can see the man isn't blocking anyone, not crossing barriers, not interfering with operations. He's simply filming from a public space. And that matters. Courts have consistently held that recording government buildings and public officials from places you're lawfully allowed to stand is typically protected activity under the First Amendment. Officers start asking questions like, "What are you doing?" Those questions by themselves aren't illegal. Police can talk to anyone. But legally, there's a difference between a voluntary conversation and a detention. The moment an officer implies you're not free to leave, courts usually treat that as a seizure under the Fourth Amendment, which requires reasonable suspicion of a crime. This interaction seems to show a common misunderstanding officers sometimes have, treating a camera like suspicious behavior instead of protected activity. Not every uncomfortable encounter automatically becomes a lawsuit. But if someone is detained without a clear legal basis or prevented from exercising protected rights, that's when civil complaints and sometimes civil rights claims under 42 U.S.C. section 1983 can come into play. And if someone is surrounded, blocked, or pressured to provide ID without a lawful basis, courts have often found that kind of escalation constitutionally questionable. So here's the real question for you. Could a citizen file a complaint or even a civil rights lawsuit over something like this? In many cases, yes, especially if a detention lacked reasonable suspicion or if protected activity like filming was restricted. What do you think? Would you file a complaint if this happened to you? Let me know in the comments below.